Intelligent test. Intelligence involves the ability to think, solve problems, analyze situation. इंटेलिजेंस टेस्ट में एबिलिटी टू थिंक शामिल होती है, सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम मसाइल का हल, एनालाइज सिचुएशंस मुख्तलिफ सिचुएशंस को का मुआवजा करना, समझना मुख्तलिफ हालात को, एंड अंडरस्टैंड सोशल वैल्यूज़ और मुआशी अक़दार को समझना, कस्टम्स एंड नॉर्म्स को समझना. Two main forms of intelligence are involved in most intelligence assessment. दो बुनियादी हालतें इंटेलिजेंस की जो कि इंटेलिजेंस असेसमेंट में इस्तेमाल होती हैं. वर्बल इंटेलिजेंस is the ability to comprehend and solve language-based problems, and non-verbal intelligence is the ability to understand and solve visual and spatial problems. Intelligence is sometimes referred to the intelligence quotient, IQ, cognitive functioning, intellectual ability, aptitude, thinking skills, and general ability. While intelligence tests are psychological tests that are designed to measure a variety of mental functions such as reasoning, comprehension, and judgment. Intelligence test is often defined as a measure of general mental ability or of the standardized intelligence tests. Those developed by David Wechsler are among those most widely used. Wechsler defined intelligence as the global capacity to act as purposefully, to think rationally, and to deal effectively with the environment. While psychologists generally agree with this definition, they do not agree on operational definition of intelligence, that is a statement of procedures to be used to precisely define the variable to be measured or how to accomplish its measurement. The goal of intelligence test is to obtain an idea of person's intellectual potential. The tests center around a set of stimuli designed to yield a score based on the test maker's model of what makes up intelligence. The intelligence tests are often given as a part of a battery of tests. Types of intelligence tests. Intelligence tests, also called instruments, are published in several forms. Group intelligence test usually consist of a paper test, booklet, and scanned scoring sheet. Group achievement test, which assess academic areas, sometimes include a cognitive measure. In general, group tests are not recommended for the purpose of identifying a child with a disability. In some cases, however, they can be helpful as a screening measure to consider whether further testing is needed, and can provide good background information on a child's academic history. Individual intelligence tests may include several types of tasks and may involve easier test books for pointing responses, puzzle and game-like tasks, and question and answer sessions. Some tasks are timed. Computerized tests are becoming more widely available, but as with all test, examiner and must consider the needs of child before choosing this format. Verbal test evaluate your ability to spell words correctly, use correct grammar, understand analogies, and analyze detailed written information. Because they depend on understanding the precise meaning of words, idioms, and structure of the language, they discriminate very strongly towards native speakers of the language in which the test have been developed. If you speak English as a second language, even if this is at high standard, you will be significantly disadvantaged in this test. There are two distinct types of verbal ability questions, those dealing with spelling, grammar, and word meaning, and those that try to measure your comprehension and reasoning abilities. Questions about spelling, grammar, and word meaning are speed tests in that they are not require very much reasoning ability. You either know the answer or you do not know. Non-verbal tests are comprised of variety of items, types, including series, completion, codes, and analogies. However, unlike verbal reasoning tests, none of the question type require learned knowledge for its solution. In an educational context, these tests are typically used as an indication of a pupil's ability to understand and assimilate novel information independently of language skills. Scores on these tests can indicate a pupil's ability to learn new material in a wide range of school subjects based on their current level of functioning.